We're going to answer the question, use the graph of the function to evaluate the given expressions. First of all, I want to go over the word function. So I wrote the definition on the left. If definition of the function is for each input, there is only one output. And that is assuming that the input is on the horizontal axis, which I'll call x, and the output on the vertical axis, which I will call y. And this is a function because for each input there is only one output. So for instance, for 1, there's only one answer, 2. For 3, there's only one answer, -2, and so forth. The actual book actually has a definition that you might have looked at that has a vertical line test. If you draw a vertical line anywhere in your graph, if it hits at only one place, then each input there is only one output. So it is a function. So we have a new notation for the function, and that's what we're looking at here. The notation is whenever you have a function, you're going to write y equals f of x. Now, this is the same, this means the same as your ordered pair that you've already previously learned. The input is always inside the parentheses, and the output is always written on the outside. The F just stands for the name. So this one, the name is F, but it could be any letter, H, K, and it does not mean multiplication in this notation, which really confuses a lot of students. So f of 0 means that the input is 0. Input is x equals 0. So go to x equals 0 on my graph. You get this point right there, and you can see the y value, the output at that point, is also 0. So that is what you write on the outside there. I couldn't fit it in there, but the answer, f of 0, is 0. This means the point 0, 0. So the answer to the first one is 0. The second one, f of 1. I'm just going to write it down here since I don't have this live. That means that the input is 1. So I go to the input being 1. Let's do it in a different color. The input 1 is right there on the x-axis. X equals 1. So if you look at the output is 2. So the answer to this is 2. Again, this means 1, 2 in our old notation, our ordered pair notation. So they're just trying to get you to write problems in this new notation. I hope that helps. So the answers are 0 for the first one and 2 for the second one.